Hello friends, you're welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the market review within the week that the set up the trades that we took within the week. And if you're in this, if you're in the Telegram channel, those setups were sent out before the market actually, before the result I'm going to show you today took place. So if you're in the Telegram channel and we are having issues analyzing charts, we have taken care of that. Just go to the Telegram channel, look at the analysis. If you have issues with the entries and the exit point, you can message us directly. We're going to send it to you. For now, it's free. Okay. It's just that because of time, we don't have the time to actually be sending analysis with take profit and stop loss. It's time consuming. It's really time consuming. So if you are having issues actually setting the stop loss and the take profit, you can watch our previous videos. You're going to see how we set take profit and stop loss. But if you are still having challenge, you can contact the admin directly. He will send you the stop loss and take profit for each of those setups we drop at the inside in the Telegram channel. So try and be part of the team. Try and join the team. We are moving fast. We are moving fast, so you can have maximum benefit. For now, it's free. We are not like other channels that paste results. We show you analysis, so you also learn from the analysis. If you want to have a private mentorship, want to be part of the team to trade live with us, you can always contact the admin. But if you're okay with the setup, you understand the setup, you know how to take it, you are free. Okay, let me show you the move quickly and show you the results we took, the setup we took within the week and how they went. Okay. So this catch F, we took catch F, okay? So if you go to the Telegram channel, the link of the Telegram channel is in the description section. Just click and join. You're going to see before the market actually, broke the support. The setup was sent to the Telegram channel. So if you are struggling to make money from Forex, this is a lifetime opportunity. So this is catch F. Let me show you. You want to know how we spot how we spot these setups, you can still go and watch other videos. Everything is there. In this video, I just want to show you the setups we took and how it went. This is catch F. Let me show you the result. Okay, it broke down, we enter. Okay, that's catch F. A win. Let's see. This Euro card is a setup of Euro card. So Euro card, it broke below, we say broke above, and let me show you how it went. Euro card. Yeah, this is what happened. This is what happened. Euro card. We actually took a lot of trades this week, and it was great. It was great. Over 20 setups in 1 week and 99.9% win rate. This is New Zealand card. New Zealand card. I repeat, we took 20 setups this week and we won 99.9. Those ones that did not go our direction, did not actually break out. They are still consolidating, and they will break out this week because we have the best team. We have the best team. Some of our traders have over 15 years experience. So these points we identify the support and resistance are key levels. Then the market respect those levels. So this New Zealand card, okay, let me show you the result. This it broke, went, okay. It was a great. It took so many. All the trade ups were good. I think so anyway, there are a lot of them. So you can still go to Go to the Telegram channel, go through our setups. You're equally going to learn from our setups. You're going to learn a lot from our setups. This is AD Chef, the setup, AD Chef, the AD Chef. Setup was sent free. You post our setups for free. So if you don't know how to take the setups, message us. You're going to see stop loss and exit and stop loss levels. You cannot be posting it like that. It's time consuming. Okay. So this ADHF, let me show you the result. Yeah, it broke down. You send setup before it happens. You don't see this in other channel. Okay. So watch out for the next video. I'm going to release the next video, the setups you're going to look out for the week and how the reason we are taking the setups. I'm going to focus on the high probability setups. Okay. I'm going to focus on those high probability setups, and you can go to the Telegram channel and see the rest of the setups. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.